I'm Greg, a sailor, a bagpiper, and all-around jack of all trades. So I've noticed in this video, the one we're releasing right now, a lot of audio problems. Like there's no sound for the majority of it. Just a lot of popping and crackling and sputtering from the audio. So that's why most of this video is just with a soundtrack, and I've sped everything up to just fast forward through all of the issues. So repairing putting the second repair on the port tow rail, get the boom down, I clean off the boom, scrub it with water and soap, and then use a polish on it to try to clean it up a little bit and replace some blocks on the boom that were broken. And the turning block for the reefing line on the mainsail was bound up, so I had to heat that up with an acetylene torch and try to free that up. So those are some of the things in the video that you'll be seeing. Again, no audio track for a big chunk of it. We'll discuss what I'm doing to solve that problem shortly. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoy the video. So I came out last night and checked the epoxy and it was all cured. So I took the clamps off and the repair looks pretty good. Well, you can see the original crack way up here. You can hardly see evidence of the next crack. Oh, I'm sorry. Next crack was over on the other side, a little bit more visible. Now I'm going to have to put some filler in, fill that, because everything didn't pull back together quite as tightly. So now I have to repair this again. The weather is cooperating a little bit. It's not pouring rain, so set the tripod up. Need another sawhorse. I want to support that end because it's a long run with the two sawhorses. And here, I would love to have another sawhorse right here supporting this, but I don't have another sawhorse. I need to lift this end up a little bit, a little more. That's looking pretty good.
So my GoPro battery just died again. I've ordered 2 new batteries, so hopefully that'll solve that problem. I'd forgotten what a pain in the neck these nuts are to get to. And then it occurred to me, gosh, what a nightmare it is. I hope this bracket goes on the left-hand side, outboard, and not on the starboard side, inboard. So I figured I'd better bring the boarding ladder up here and measure. Son of a gun, I got it backwards. Got the boom down. There's some dirt, but I don't think it's quite as dirty. Well, I take that back. It's pretty filthy. Nope. Dang. Right. Next thought is, if it does just come out, I can try a chisel to see if it'll just pull straight out. And that doesn't seem to be doing anything. Nope, not going in, not coming out. All right, so next option is heat. I don't want to use a lot of heat, but we'll definitely use some. Can't get much warmer than that. And that got it working. Cool. All right, well, we'll let that cool off before we touch that. I had to take the blades off of my lawn tractor a couple of years ago, and a good friend of mine who's following my channel, Jim, watched me using my impact wrench and trying to get them off, and I said, oh, I got to put heat on it. And he thought, how is that going to work? If you're heating up the bolt, isn't metal expands, so you're going to make the bolt heat up, and it's just going to bind itself up even more inside the nut that it's frozen in. I don't understand the thermodynamics of it. You would think the same thing here. I heated up this, which is threaded into something. That got heated up. If it expands, isn't it going to expand and get tighter into the nut? Don't know. But the bottom line is, I heated up that bolt cherry red, put my impact wrench on it, zoom, it came right off, and the mower blades came off, and Jim was like, okay, I don't understand it, but I believe it. Same thing happened right here. You know, it's like, why does putting heat on the nut free it up? I don't know, but it worked. So, as long as it works, that's all I care about. Anybody have an idea on why it works? Put it in the comments. But anyway, let's move on. I want to start drilling out the holes in the backing plates, because I'm running out of little rainy day projects that are, you know, to do on the boat. Scrubbing and cleaning the boom, I guess at this point. It's relatively dry. Well, here's my second one. All right, well, it's the end of the day for me. Rainy day today, so got some interior stuff done. I finished drilling out all of the backing plates for the stanchion bases. I cleaned and polished the spreaders, repaired the screw for the boat stand, cleaned and polished the boom, and freed up the screw for the main sheet reefing block. I'm assuming that's what it is. Let's see. Oh, I fabricated the two mounting brackets and drilled those out for these stern cleats. And then I buffed out the stern cleats, cleaned them up a little bit, discovered that one of the bolts was bent, so I need to replace that. That is on the stairs to go down to West Marine. Also, these hold the Dodger. You can see one of them is broken, so I'm going to put them in the pile. I need to replace that. Let's see. Oh, I got the tow rail repaired yet again. Actually, I should probably go out there right now and pull the clamps off, because now it's starting to rain. And I'm pretty sure the epoxy has kicked already, so I can take the clamps off so that they don't rust away outside. So let's see. I think that's about it for today. Holy mackerel, and I just put in battery C, brand new battery, and it immediately said battery low. I can't wait till these new batteries arrive. Holy mackerel. Anyway, let's wrap things up here. Thank you very much for following SV Slow Air. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the like button. It doesn't cost you anything. It helps out my channel a little bit. And don't forget to subscribe so you get updates when new videos come out. We are entering the home stretch. I'm hoping to get this boat in the water in a couple of weeks. So that'll be exciting. Next project is tow rails, stanchion bases, and get the mast cleaned up and then put back together again. Those are the last three big items. Well, then painting the decks and the cockpit. I guess that's a pretty big item too. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.